Have you ever wondered how you can make $10,000 while still juggling your classes, exams, and social life as a student? If you're thinking it's impossible, stay tuned because this video is going to change your perspective. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. 1. Start by identifying your skills and interests. The first step to making $10,000 as a student is to identify what you're good at or passionate about. Do you have a talent for writing, graphic design, coding, or tutoring? Maybe you're good at organizing events or have a knack for social media. Start by listing out all your skills and interests. Once you have a clear picture, you can begin to explore opportunities that align with your strengths. 2. Freelancing. Monetize your skills. Freelancing is one of the most flexible and rewarding ways to earn money as a student. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer platforms where you can showcase your skills and connect with clients from all over the world. Whether it's writing articles, designing logos, or developing websites, there's a demand for almost every skill. Start small by offering your services at competitive rates to build your portfolio. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates. Consistency is key, and before you know it, you could be earning hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month. 3. Tutoring. Share your knowledge. If you excel in certain subjects, consider tutoring your peers or younger students. Platforms like Chegg, tutor.com, and even social media can help you reach students who need help in your area of expertise. Tutoring not only helps you reinforce your own knowledge, but also pays well, often charging $20 to $50 per hour. With consistent tutoring sessions, you can easily reach your $10,000 goal over time. 4. Start a small business or side hustle. Consider starting a small business that fits into your schedule. This could be anything from selling handmade crafts on Etsy to creating an online store. Dropshipping is another popular option, where you can sell products without handling inventory. Platforms like Shopify and Amazon make it easy to set up your store and start selling. If you have a creative idea or a unique product, you could also explore crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter to get your business off the ground. Remember, starting a business requires dedication and hard work, but the potential rewards can be significant. Create content: YouTube, blogging, or podcasting. Content creation is a powerful way to build a personal brand and generate income. If you enjoy making videos, consider starting a YouTube channel. Focus on a niche that you are passionate about and consistently create high-quality content. Monetization options like ads, sponsorships, and merchandise can help you generate income over time. Blogging is another avenue where you can write about topics you love. Through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and ads, bloggers can earn substantial income. Similarly, podcasting is gaining popularity and can be monetized through sponsorships and listener support. 6. Participate in the gig economy. Apps like Uber, DoorDash, and TaskRabbit offer flexible work options where you can choose your hours and work when it's convenient for you. Whether it's driving people around, delivering food, or helping someone move, these gigs can add up and significantly boost your income. 7. Apply for scholarships and grants. While this may not be a direct way to earn $10,000, applying for scholarships and grants can free up funds that you would otherwise spend on tuition or living expenses. Use websites like fastwebandscholarships.com to find opportunities that match your profile. Every dollar saved through scholarships can be redirected toward other income-generating activities. 8. Invest wisely. If you've managed to save some money, consider investing it to generate passive income. Start with low-risk options like index funds or ETFs. Platforms like Robinhood or Acorns make it easy for beginners to start investing with minimal amounts. Remember, the key to investing is to start early and be consistent. 9. Network and leverage opportunities. Building a strong network can open doors to various opportunities. Attend industry events, join student organizations, and connect with professionals on LinkedIn. Networking can lead to internships, job offers, and collaborations that can significantly boost your income potential. 10. Time management and consistency. Making $10,000 as a student requires excellent time management skills. Balancing your studies and side hustles can be challenging, but with proper planning, it's achievable. Use tools like Google Calendar, Trello, or Notion to organize your tasks and stay on top of deadlines. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Celebrate small wins and learn from setbacks. Consistency is crucial. Even small daily efforts can lead to significant results over time. Making $10,000 as a student is not just a dream, it's a realistic goal with the right approach and mindset. By identifying your skills, exploring freelancing, tutoring, starting a business, creating content, participating in the gig economy, applying for scholarships, investing wisely, and leveraging your network, you can create multiple streams of income. Now that you've got a roadmap to financial success as a student, it's time to take action. Remember, the journey to earning $10,000 starts with a single step. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies to help you succeed. Until next time, keep hustling.